Say something to the camera. Yeah. What else do you have to say to the camera? Can you smile for Mama? Look at Mama. Hey. I know. Yeah, it's a camera. You're so interested in it that you never smile. Hey, Arno. Hey, Arno. Hi. Can you smile for me? A big smile like you give me every day so I can show everybody else. Give a big smile. Hey, look at me. Don't look at the camera. Hi. Hello. Arno. Arno. Hello. Hello. Pretty excited. Yeah, that's a little smile. Yeah. That's good. Yeah, that's the Arno we see every day. Hello. Yeah. Can you say hello to the people? Hello. Maybe not. Maybe. I think that's pretty good. Say bye, everybody. See you soon. Spitting out my medicine. I don't need this stuff. Bye.